Now we are going to solve IIT JEE advanced type problem. See here, a plano convex lens has diameter 5 centimeter, its thickness is 0.25 centimeter. If the speed of light in the lens inside the lens is 2 into 10 power 8, 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, then focal length of the lens, we have to find. Here, actually, we used to solve the problem for thin lens focal length. Here, given that thick lens, and one more thing here, diameter is 5 centimeter means this diameter is not twice the radius of curvature. This is the aperture of the lens. Aperture of the lens means here. Now we take here, let us shade the lens portion. I'm going to shade this is the shaded portion is the lens portion now. The shaded portion only lens portion. And see here this AB is given now. This AB is only aperture of this plano convex lens. Aperture of the plano convex lens. Here aperture of the plano convex lens given 5 centimeter. In that half of the aperture is this one, that is 2.5 centimeter. Now thickness is given. Thickness of the lens given as a 0.25 centimeter. From ear to ear radius of curvature. Similar way ear to ear also radius of curvature. From C to O, how much means totally this is radius of curvature. From radius of curvature, radius we separate the thickness value so that the C to O is we are getting or minus 0.25 we are getting. Now see here this right angle triangle. From this right angle triangle we can find radius of curvature. Why we are calculating radius of curvature means in order to find focal length we need radius of curvature, so that first we calculate radius of curvature. Let us use triangle C COA. From this triangle r square is equal to r minus 0.25 whole square plus 2.5 whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square, so r square is equal to, we are getting r square, this can be taken as a 1 by 4, so that this 1 by 16, and this 2ab we have to take, this 1 by 4, 2ab means 1 by 2, so that minus r by 2 is equal to this 2.5 is 5 by 2 can be taken, so that this we are getting squaring, we are getting 25 by 4, that can be written as 100 by 16. Now here we can cancel this r square we can cancel, this r square we can cancel. After cancelling r square we can get r by 2 we bring left side, so r by 2 is equal to 101 by 16 by taking LCM as a 16. From this we will get this by cancelling this 2, we are getting this 8, so that radius of curvature from this equation we are getting radius of curvature is equal to 101 divided by 8. So we found a radius of curvature. Next we are going to find the refractive index of the lens. Refractive index formula is absolute refractive index is equal to C by V. Absolute refractive index is equal to C by V. C is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and V is given here 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So that here we are getting mu as a 3 by 2. We are getting as a 3 by 2. Now to find the focal length of the lens, what we are doing means we are taking parallel beam of ray. That parallel beam of ray, this one ray and this one ray is there. This parallel beam of ray is there. This ray is traveling from air medium to denser medium. In this is the plane surface. In plane surface, angle of incidence 0, so that angle of refraction also 0, so that this light without deviation it moves. When it comes to the curved surface, it travels from denser medium to rarer medium, So refraction at a spherical surface we have to take. And this light is passes through the optical center. There is the pole, the light which passes through our pole that do not suffer any refraction, that means no deviation, so that this light travels like this. And the light which is passes parallel to the principal axis, that after in plane surface that do not suffer any refraction, at spherical surface it suffer refraction. This parallel beam of rays after passes through this plane of convex lens, it meets at this point. Actually, we know the definition, the parallel beam of ray after passes through the lens where actually it converges, that point is known as focus, that is the principal focus, that is we are taking. So this distance we are taking as a V. This distance as a we are taking as a V. Now see here light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, refraction at spherical surface. Generally, we use the formula to find refraction at spherical surfaces. That no certain formula is there. We assume that for this refraction, object in the denser medium we should assume. So that formula what we have to take in the sense, object in the medium is mu2 divided by u is infinity. U is there, that u we can take later, minus here mu1 by v. Actually, this one formula, this mu1 minus mu2 divided by r. Actually, this is the formula for refraction at a spherical surface. Refraction at a spherical surface is, what is that means? Object distance is u, object in which medium is there means denser medium is there, that refractant is we have to substitute. In another medium, image will be forming, image distance v, image medium is mu1 we are taking, that is equal to mu1 minus mu2 divided by radius of curvature we are taking. Now here parallel beam of ray comes, so that u place we have to substitute infinity, so that mu2 by infinity. Here mu1 is equal to 1 because mu1 is given as a 1 air medium, mu2 only here given 3/2 we have solved. Now we are substituting here mu2, this u value as infinity, mu1 as 1, and v is known as principal focus f, focal length f. Now we are going to substitute here mu1 mu2 value also. Mu1 is 1 minus mu2 is 3/2, and the radius of curvature we found here 101/8, 101/8. And the radius of curvature is minus, because radius of curvature is here, this is the center of pole is here, this radius of curvature we are finding opposite to the principal axis. According to sign convention, if the distance measured opposite to the incident ray, that should be taken as a negative, so that we taken here as a minus. Now here 1 by f we are going to take. 1 by f is equal to, 1 by f is equal to this 1 minus 1/2 is 1 minus 3/2 is 1/2, minus minus cancel, so that 1/2 divided by, we are getting 101 divided by 8 we are getting. This one by simplifying we are getting f is equal to 101 divided by 4. From this f value we are getting as 25.25. All the values are given centimeter, so that answer is in centimeter.